Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 21st, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for DOGECOIN. You guys can see right here on my price chart, we did a price prediction all the way back here on June the 13th, 2001, anticipating that the value of DOGECOIN will continue to go lower in price. We're going to update you all as to where the market is anticipated to go going forward. We're going to talk about this article right here from the Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kassari, and stating that DOGECOIN is a Ponzi. Of course he will say that because he's on the side of the fiat dollar. So of course he's going, any competition that comes onto a horizon, you have to beat them down to try to throw some negativity, to try to get everyone outside of that realm to understand that that is the way to go, to try to stay in the ballpark to where he is, right? We're going to break down this article real quick. And then as always, you know, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share and subscribe here to the channel. You don't want to miss out on any of our content that we are creating here in this space, because our main purpose is to get in position and win in the market. And our community of people who is following our videos is making an excellent amount of profitability on a day-to-day basis, all because we are in position to win. So if you want to join us, you can hit the like button, share and subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, so you do not miss out on any of our content that we are delivering here on a daily basis. All right. So real quick, I want to go ahead and look at this article from Cointelegraph that was posted on yesterday, about 13 hours ago. You guys can see that, you know, the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis President Neil Kassari took a jab at DOGECOIN just last week, right? Paul Grewal, who is the chief legal officer and corporate secretary at Coinbase, he did a poll on LinkedIn asking everyone the question, right? How do you pronounce Doge? And 57% said Doge, 22% said Doge, and 21% said both of the taco guys are wrong. But Neil, he chimed in. You guys can see that his response is right here. The right pronunciation is Ponzi. And that lit up this post that Paul has listed on LinkedIn. That particular comment has garnered about 200 responses once Neil went ahead and said that DOGECOIN is a Ponzi scheme. Now, take a look at this part right here that I got highlighted on the article. In February 2020, right? That's a year ago. He said that digital assets like Bitcoin lack the basic tenets of a stable currency, and praised the Securities and Exchange Commission for quote unquote cracking down on initial coin offerings. Got it. Now, take a look at DOGECOIN. Back here in February of 2020, right? February 2020, the price of Doge was even less than a penny when he came out with those comments. Here we are today. DOGECOIN is trading around 25 cents. So even in his negative comments that he stated in Bitcoin back in February 2020, the market in the cryptocurrency space continued to see higher price, right? So it's kind of like, what type of impact did he really have into the market for cryptocurrencies? If you guys can see back in February 2020 for Bitcoin, which is right here, the market in Bitcoin was trading around $8,900, $9,000, right? Came all the way down to 4,000 in March. Here we are today. Bitcoin is trading around $33,000. So we do appreciate, you know, the negativity that is coming for the cryptocurrencies, for altcoins in the space, because the chart doesn't lie and it didn't have any impact on what everyone really values about these cryptocurrencies, right? If everyone sided with Neil in regards to these cryptocurrencies and altcoins being Ponzi schemes, the price will not be increasing, right? The price is the great revealer. It tells us everything that everyone pretty much expects and what they value. When you value something, price will increase. When you don't value something, the price will decrease. And we appreciate Neil because it seems as if he's standing on the wrong side of history in regards to what majority of people value. And they are valuing cryptocurrencies and altcoins. So we appreciate him with the continued negativity. Cointelegraph, I get it. You guys are just trying to get the reviews, your ratings up, the clickbait. Nothing wrong with that, right? But we appreciate you all showing us the other side of the markets, right? We need to get those opinionated individuals to see who they are, mark them, and sooner or later, just like many people who bashed Bitcoin back in 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, they eventually came on board, right? So now, that is that. But let's get back to our DOGECOIN price prediction though, okay? Because you guys can see from our chart that we did in the market in DOGECOIN that the price is weak, okay? So now, we're not surprised to see the market in DOGECOIN go lower. I mean, we expected that on the 13th of June. That was 7 days, right? 8 days. 8 days ago, we expected the market in DOGECOIN to go lower. So we appreciate him telling us that the value of DOGECOIN was going to decrease because we were already in position. Getting out now, it'll be around 18% profitability in the market right there. So let's go ahead and take that away. You know, that's done. That's over. And you guys can see here that we are still around our support area. So even though the market in Doge is down 9.5% right now as of this recording, we can still literally see the market come through and hold that area as support, which is around 25. But seeing that we are there now, we still have to anticipate where would be the next likely area to grab support. And it's going to be around 22, 23 cents. So maybe a 2 pennies in reduction in value for DOGECOIN. We can see the market come through. And we could get a better idea of that looking at this on a longer time frame, right? So this is the 3-day time frame. Still here seeing weakness into the market in DOGECOIN. I wanted to see how do we end out the week. So right here, last week, I mean, the volume is not really extreme to where many people are selling out into the market. We're not seeing that. So yeah, even though the market looks bad in terms of percentages lost, we're not really drastically moving in terms of price, right? So I want us all to be mindful of that as we see this currency continue to trade. Now, let us create what the trend is into the market in DOGECOIN real quick, okay? So what I'm going to do, we're going to take this overall trend line here and we're going to utilize it in terms of what we're getting in the market in DOGECOIN, right? We're going to follow the trend. And so far, this market in DOGECOIN is giving us a lot of weakness. We're in a downtrend, right? Even on a day-to-day basis, we are not able to maintain that price. So I just want to visually show you all that, yeah, we're in a downtrend, and that downtrend will continue until we see this price break back up above 30 cents, okay? What I'm going to do with this horizontal line, I'm just going to simply take it down a little bit further to get prepared to see this market in DOGECOIN come back down to around 23 cents, okay? So again, I'm not really nervous about the weakness that is being revealed today into the market and cryptocurrency space. I wanted to circle this area to you because this is the area that I'm looking for DOGECOIN to try to come to trade over the next 2 to 3 days. The 2 weeks time frame, let me take this over to you all on 2 weeks real quick and show you all that, yeah, this market in DOGECOIN is still weak. So we haven't found a support area yet. Okay, so until we find that support area, the market will methodically take its time to go lower in price, right? So let me look at this on the hourly time frame. Take this away. And again, I'm not really too concerned with the market movement to the downside to be that severe. 23 cents, possibly we can see the market in DOGECOIN try to come and hold this area of support, right? We're already seeing the market trying to bounce off the areas of support that we've seen on May 23rd, the low that came in on May 23rd, even all the way back here in April, towards the end of the month of April. So we're there. So we can expect the market to try to come through and hold some support right now in this space. I mean, we're seeing that right now. Okay. The volume is increasing. Let us know that there are some buyers trying to come through and support up that price in DOGECOIN at 25 cents. Okay. So now let us go ahead and do this price prediction real quick. Now, I'm not extremely bullish into the market in DOGECOIN, but rather 23 cents. It might not even be worth putting in a prediction. I mean, that's about 9.89% market movement to the downside in Dogecoin, and that's about it. And then again, I will be looking for the market to try to grab more support around 23.25 cents. Okay. Now, that 23-cent area, that's the last stop, right? If we break 23 cents to the downside, then the market weakness is going to come all the way back down in the teens, maybe around like 18, back down to 16 cents. Okay. So right now, I'm not expecting the market to hit the teens in Dogecoin, but maybe around 23 cents. Okay. So we're going to continue to play that out into the market for Dogecoin. Bring this down just a tad. And that's only about 8.75% profitability right there. So that's about it. I want you all to tell me, where do you all expect the market weakness to go in Dogecoin? How low are you expecting the price to go in your prediction? Drop us a comment in the comment section while you're a part of our team, our community, and let everyone know, what are you seeing on the price chart? Okay, this is it. Let me know what you think the price is going to be like in the next 2 weeks for Dogecoin. And let's not make it complicated. Join us, call the markets right alongside with us, and let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.